Video chart on ticker symbol CLSN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. This is now, I think, the 3rd day in a row I've done this analysis, so that's where that green line annotation is coming from. And I'm not going to really beat that dead horse any further, but this is really kind of that must-hold level of support. If you're interested why that's the case, then you can just go back to the video archive from a couple days ago and watch that. But given the price is now way up here, I wouldn't exactly call this one threatening or being threatened in terms of getting broken. So I'll just leave it at that. 21 cents, very important level of support, and so far so good. The price continues to remain above it. Now, with all that being said, there has been a new level of support established, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, and that sits right here at, what is that, 23 cents. So meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above 23 cents, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined and this thing's headed down to 7 cents. I'm not saying anything like that. Just saying, preferably speaking, best case scenario, what's going to make this chart look the most attractive? Definitely staying up above that 23 cent mark. So again, supports, ideally 23 cents, must hold down there at 21 cents. As far as resistance levels, this just goes back to the power of charts. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've been talking about that purple line and just keeping an eye on it because it'll continue to slope downwards, and that'll be the key battleground. And sure enough, you can see right here, that's where the price is currently struggling with right now, that purple line. I'm not patting myself on the back. I am patting charts on the back, though, and I don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy. No, nothing like that. This is stuff that anybody can learn how to do. But again, if you didn't watch the past videos, I realize that it doesn't mean much to you. Yeah, I mean, just amazing to see how the charts worked out there. Not saying the purple line can't be broken, but it is the 50-period simple moving average, and historically, just within the world of charts, usually the price is going to have to really bring its A game to fight through there. So that'll be public enemy number one for sure going into next week. No doubt about it, though. The bulls keep on putting in these higher lows, and that's the name of the game. So it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to unfold next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.